Well, welcome back to the channel. The day I've come back to Largs, Big Lee's Waterfall, because there was another waterfall that I never got to that day. So I'm going to try and just aim for that one today, which has got 4 waterfalls in it. So hopefully, I think it was 4, hopefully I can get to it. It looked accessible down the bottom, but no for where I was standing in the top of the ledge, if you remember. But I'll go, I'll see what's happening. It's a bit windy, is what it is, but wind is nothing, is it? So as long as the rain stays off, I think we'll get something. Don't know what, something. Let's go. Right, so we'll just walk down this big hill past the dog field, which is down here. And you can see all the beachfront. There's a nuclear power station there, which I'm not allowed to fly a drone next to, so it's a bit windy. Wind's behind me, blowing me down the hill, so I can't complain. So far, I'll be coming back up. It's going to be a nightmare. But we're going to get down here, try and find this one, and then we'll work our way back. I might take another photograph of that Big Lee's waterfall and then the green something waterfall. 2 big ones. Plus this one I think is 4 or 5 high, so we can do into that one. Try and get it. Dry stone wall. Instead of going through the gate back there to get to Big Lee's, I'll go this wee bit. It seems to have made a path. Although there's a gate at the end of that one. Maybe should have took that instead of going over the farmer's wall. But that's us, we're at it. I'll just follow this round. Should take me to the boat more. I'll just follow the side of this fence. Right round, up and down. Should take me to the waterfalls that I want to get to. Here's hoping. Anyway, it's a bit boggy. Oh, I'm saying I better use 2 horns till I get there. Right, well I'll need to shout because my mic's no connected. Right, so be here by the looks of things. Look, there's blood on my horn, never didn't notice. I can get down now, it's levelled right down to the water level and then cut up. It should face up towards the waterfalls just about there. These are not quite high, there's maybe a bit there, one there. So I've got to go round about down the hill, down the water level there and back away. And I should get to the other waterfalls that I never found. So here we go, we'll try. Anyway, there was a waterfall down there, it's about 8 feet. It's no trick, it's just a trickle. And there's a wee archway just there, and then I'll notice I've got stone there in case it's raised up, but now they're here and I'm looking up there. There's a wee catch up and I'll still throw the mic about, as you can see. But anyway, I better pin this mic onto me. Seriously throwing it about. Like a madman. Right. I'm going to set up here, I'll take a quick shot, and then I'll make my way up there. Somewhere. Right. I'll sit you guys down somewhere. That's a long trek. What is that? What? That's what we do, isn't it? Let's see. Now this bag I've got, apparently, I don't need to sit it down. Yeah, I do. I'll show you how that's meant to work. If I can sit you somewhere. There's a wee tree log out there. Right, I'm going to sit you there. Maybe. Excuse the movement. Make me seasick, won't it? Seasick Steve. There's a wee plug for you. Right, stay there. Don't move. It's crazy because I've got my other wee tripod with me too. Right, you're not moving it, you know. So this bag's made not to need to take off. Let me make sure this one's tight. So hands free. Don't need to set the bag down, apparently. What we do is that. Let me try and swing it round. A wee bit of ease maybe. There we go. To there. Hands free. Eh? So let's try that out. Have a look. My cloth. My camera's here. I'll just pull it out. Keep that wee cloth. Oh, back to where we were. So aye, camera's out the bag. Camera's out the back. I'll just secure it with it. So we zip this guy back up. So apparently we don't need to do anything. This bag's built for that. I can take my tripod out for here as well. Ta-da. Put my legs down. And then I'll fix the tripod. And I'll fix the bag. I said tripod, didn't I? This one's too much, that climb. I've got a wee rope with me, which I can retract if I need to. Right. New tripod head, geared head. Apparently this just slides in here. I'll show you it better in a minute. Tighten that up. That's that. So, put my bag back on. My filters are there. I'm going to slide it in first. I can just loosen it actually. Right. There we go. I didn't need to sit it down. Didn't need to let it get wet. Fasten it back up. And you took one. Right, as you can see I've got my filters here. Can I get to them? I don't know yet. Let's see if we can. So, I'll probably just take them off without dropping them. Polarising filter. I don't think I need any other filters. So, let's get this ready. Got everything in my pockets again as usual. Yeah, I'll keep that head cover there. I'll put the magnetic bit on first. 77mm. Right, polarizer. Voila. Okay, job done. So now that's done, what I'm going to do is just put this one here on the strap and that'll hold it. Right, let's go to the location. There's the geared head. It's K&F. A little easier, hopefully. It's got a wee spirit level there too. I don't need to put a wee level on there. Everything's quite quick move and then minor adjustments. It was 120 quid on Amazon. So far so good. This is the first time out there. This is the first picture it's probably taken, apart from in the house, which doesn't count, does it? So I'm going to go up here, close to the water, see if I can get a picture. Decided to take another shot. There's a wee rock this side now. Just a landscape one before I go, because when I was moving it up it looked okay. Just focus on that wee flow there. So these will be 3. I'm taking 3 stacks. I'm at F11. I don't think I'll need 3 stacks. I don't need them, I'll no use them. What, 2 seconds. 2 second exposures. Right, I'm going to move up. I think I made a rookie mistake there. I'm glad I've done it now. So I come out here to take this wee shot because that's why I didn't stand on it, obviously. Just a wee quick portrait shot. And I'm getting a wee swirl there at that water. I'll need to go back there and take the photos because I was wondering why my wee green screen wasn't coming on, my wee focus point there. I had it in manual focus, didn't I? I'm glad I got it with new 2 shots. So I'll go back here, do these 2 shots. And then we'll go back up there. Just a rookie mistake. Again. We'll set up again, start again, blah blah blah. There's that rock there. The new it's focusing. Yeah, don't. Right, so focus there. Focus here in this wee stream. And I've still got the wee waterfall at the top there. So as I said, 3 shots. And it's just up there at that bit. And that should be it. Because that's F11 still. 2 seconds. Right. I'm still getting used to this geared head, which is quite easy to work. I'll be honest with you. Zoom it a wee touch. Yeah. You don't need to bring it back. Up. Yeah. Slightly round. Slightly tilted, I think. That way. Go back down slightly. Just cutting off the waterfall at the top there. Right. I don't want to see past it basically. So just adjust this polarizer. And I seem to be zooming out there. Right, so zoom back in slightly. To it there. On a wee rock. Focus on the wee rock. 2 second timer. 2 seconds. Well, okay, just a bit, some light coming through, not much. And again. Yep. And again up the top there. Just because I want to take 3, so I've got everything in focus. If I need to, if I can get it with 1, I'll do it with 1. And the other shot was that rock portrait, wasn't it? Turn that round portrait. Oop, too far. Come back up. I think I can zoom in slightly. Yeah. But what we need to do is go round here. I think about there I'll get the 2 rocks in. If I just zoom it slightly. Come down. Right. Adjust the polarizer. Polarizer seems to be playing funny with us. Can you see that on YouTube? I don't know. Right. Focus. Focus on that rock. Put these together because I might get some better atmosphere in the water, if you like. So that's 3, there's 3 focus points. The next one's up the back. Because we can stitch these together in Lightroom quite easily. Right. Now I'm going to set up the wee camera that I had last week on here, out here. So you can, I don't need to hold this all the time. Because obviously I'm all over the place, so I'll get that sorted. Over there, jump up there, and see what else we can get. Now I'm full. I've got everything sorted, I think. Right. That's that camera setup, as you can see, and I'll show you what I'm doing, my adjustments I'm doing, etc. I'm going to take the filter off of there and put it on one of these legs, the filter holder. Although I'll just be using the polarizer today, so I might just take a minute and put it by Put back on my camera bag out the way. Right, let's do that. I got a wee waterfall there, up by the tree there. Now I'm just going to head up here, as I'm sure there's waterfalls here that we can maybe find. Feeling that I've mapped this out for you. Oh, first one up there. I think this is the ones we're looking for. Right, so we've got two sides here. Now I've got my grips onto, so I'm going to go that side and walk up. I think that's the waterfalls I've been looking for. After that, it's back this way, because you can see it's a gorge, basically, both sides. So we're going to head over there, walk up that way, clinging on the side, because it doesn't look that deep at the edges there anyway. So let's go. Right, so this is a rewarded way. Up there is a waterfall, which we're going to take some photographs. That's deep, that's up to my waist probably. There's a bridge there. I think I need to go that side. Along that side, aye, definitely. But aye, that's the waterfall I'm aiming for. I'm sure there's more than one there. Right, don't tell the wife I did this. It's on the name of photography, and I'll put them back on there on the rocks. Don't worry. Kind of recalled for a good picture, maybe. Don't know. We'll see when we get there. I'm just going to go there this way. Right, well that's that done. That was it all. Face. Woo! My feet are heating up now. So here's the wee waterfall that I just got soaked for. Not to worry. I'm going to photograph it anyway. I'm going to photograph it out yet. Set up a wee shot here with just underneath this log. I'm keeping the back waterfall in as well. So I'm just going to keep clicking. We're at 3.2 f11 ISO 50. As you can see, now I can line it up slightly. There might be a portrait shot here. Yeah. Come up slightly. I'm going to zoom in slightly too. I just like that there. Take that shot. So it's quite a long exposure, that one. Obviously I'll focus on the wee branch that's sitting there. That's my feet washed for the week anyway, so that's not too bad. Two birds with one stone, as they say. But aye, I'm going to move over there slightly to these wee bits of rapid here. I'll need to go in that way because there might be water that's deep here somewhere. Or my Wellington anyway, not deep, no deep, but or my Wellington. So this is the waterfall, a bit closer. I'm sure there's more. But obviously this is the end of where I'm going to be. It might have been the one I've seen, could have been. 1, 2, 3, all the way down, so I probably is, more than likely. I'm going to try and shoot this. Camera's there on a rock. I'm going out to that wee rock there. Shoot up that way. Then I'll go to this side, shoot up that way. Then I'll get beyond the branch and shoot landscape. I'm going to try and get up a wee bit of height somewhere. I might even be on top of that branch to try and get both waterfalls in, because I don't know if I'll get up that one. I don't know. Anyway, let's get down here. Oh, aye, that's steep. Right. Let's see where we are. Yeah, about here. about here. You can't see what I'm doing. I'll soon need to change the battery on this thing. Let's see if that's okay. Yeah, possibly. Right, so I'm doing low anyway, as you can probably see now. I need to do my hunkers, hope I don't wet my bum. Right, we'll lift this up out the way. Spin it around, because I want to be down here where the waterfall is. That's it. Now, tilt it down slightly to it there, aye. That's the one I said I would do. It's on the branch. Get all this way, but it's about as high as I can get to get everything in. Maybe you can see, I don't know, but aye. Well, that's a shot there, so hopefully it works out. If it works out, I'll let you see it. I've got a couple of landscape shots here, I think. And then I'll start heading back. I don't know if we're going to get much from there. So I'll get a landscape shot here, up here right now where I'm at. And then I shall move myself right, that's that landscape. Zoom out slightly, I think. Yeah, about there. Polarize it. Shut the glare down. That's the glare shut down. Wow, it's a nice wee place. This is the last waterfall, I think. I don't think we'll get any there. Because I can't get up there and I can't get up the next bit. And I'm sure that's the bit I was standing on, so it's just a case of going back the way. Shoes off, shoes on, that kind of thing. But never mind, it's sandstone. Sandstone's quite good. Sandstone doesn't get you slippy like most other bricks do. I'll sacrifice myself for this one. Somewhat. I'm going to try and zoom into the last waterfall there while I'm here. Right, that's the three done. So let's try zoom this up. It's only 105 on this mill, so 105 mil. Yeah, it's getting it. Right, let's go back a bit here. Just about there, I think. Polarizer, we just look for that wee bit at the bottom there. Keep zooming it. It's too tight. Just get over this. Right. That there will do. Right, let's get this zoomed in. Take that picture there at the bottom of the waterfall. And then I'll take one of the waterfall. Pity about that branch there, it might just disappear out the frame. Yeah, I think that's enough for that one. I think I'll try I don't know, cure that way a wee touch. I'll have to tripod it and see what I can get. I managed to take 3 shots here, just focusing at the bottom here, top of the waterfall and the other waterfall. I don't know if I'm going to put it at that ledge just to shoot the wee rocks that are there, at the very top there. There's wee rocks. I'll try. May as well, I'm here. So that'll be a portrait shot. I'm getting this bit of water. There's a wee ledge down there, and then I'll be up by my wellies. So I don't want my wellies wet on the inside. I know there's a hole in them, but let's get this anyway, and then we'll get back down the water and back up the road. I'm not going to shoot Big Lee's waterfall this time, because that's a bit of a scramble to get to. So I'll shoot the other one, the one at the very top, and then I'll head to the van. Hopefully get some shots. Who knows, it's winter. So the last shot as I'm pulling back, we've just got this wee bit rapid here, rock, overhanging branches, etc., trees, up to the other waterfall. And if that comes out, I'll let you see it, obviously, with the rest of them. I've got a good wee visit out here, but there's my deep bit again, so I need to get my wellies off. Start heading through. I'll get them on when I'm down there somewhere, a bit of dry land, hopefully. But that's this shot done anyway, so I'm going to move now. Just to that wee bit there, get the wellies off, back in the water. Wish me luck. Right, I'm on the way to the van. I'm thinking I might be a wee shot here, just with this wee bridge. And a wee cascade that way, two that way, one that way. So it might just flow up to the wee bridge. Flow, if you see my hand there, flow up. La-da, to the bridge. We'll have a look and see. It's deep there. We're on the rocks here, so without taking my backpack off, let's see if this works. I'll go around here, as you do. I'm in the water. It's deep down there. Up by my Wellington's deep. Up by my Wellington's deep. No deep, deep. I'm missing out this wee rapid. I'm just concentrating these two. And the bridge. Shot's there. I don't know when he's straightened up in there, but I've started, so I'll finish this one, straighten it up. 10 seconds. F11. I'm not getting out of there, it's a bit slippy because it's wet there, as you can see. Sandstone, dry, non-slip, wet. Right, the bridge. Is it turning out? Who knows? Let me see. Yeah, it's not bad. It's alright, it's a picture. But that's me. Definitely, I'm done. Promise, I'm gone. I'm out of here. A bit of blue sky up there. Just a wee bit. How much? Clouds up that way. Stormy. So I'm going home before it rains. Time for a kip, I think. There's another two up here. Not one anyway. The green and one. Yeah, I've got the big leaves. So I'll try them up. Hint Well, that's me. I've been down the waterfall. It wasn't as good as the other two, but it's there. It's a bit harder to get to, but I got there. But that's me heading home now because it's starting to get dark. It's time's at back of 3, quarter to 4 maybe. So it gets dark quick in the winter. It'll be dark by the time I get home anyway. So that's this video for this week. I've been here again. I'll not be back for a good few years, I don't think. I'm going to try and map out all these waterfalls that I've been to so far. But I wanted to finish this one off. and I wasn't getting it finished without that bottom one. So that's done. There's 3 waterfalls there. Was really hard to get to. So you trek up river, take your waders. Apart from that, it's nice, it's quiet, and that's just the way I like it. But anyway, if you liked this wee video, give us a favour and give us a wee like, click a wee like, and we subscribe if you like to like. If you like to subscribe, please subscribe and like, and I'll see you next week somewhere else, hopefully different, if the snow doesn't snow me in the house. So till then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.